Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Perfect. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up a custom URL on YouTube channel. Firstly, I can say that to create a custom URL for your channel, your account needs to have 100 or more subscribers, be at least 13 days old channel, have an uploaded profile picture and banner image. So let's start it. First of all, you need to access your Chrome browser. Click on Chrome browser and then click on YouTube and then click on three-dot line at the top. Due to custom URL, you with Android mobile to make your phone desktop version. Click on desktop site. Click on channel icon and then click on setting and then click on your channel status and feature. Click on close. From the left menu, select customization. Click on. And then click on basic info. You can see under channel URL, click set a custom URL from your channel. Click on and then you can choose the suggested custom URL based on your channel name or add extra letter or numbers to make your custom URL unique. Now I will set my custom URL. You can add it 3 numbers. You can see this customer URL is complete. Click on publish and then click on confirm your custom URL. Finally, complete my custom URL. So if you want to see more videos, you must subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. Thanks for watching my video.